holiday time. When China started ruled by the Communist Party, China had no hope. Laborers were the only one who acted as a fund. When China was first held by the Communist Party, the laborers, the one who acted as a foundation for the development of this country. China always celebrates the Labor's Day very sincerely. China has chosen May 1 to May 5 to celebrate it as a Labor's Day, and during this day we have a 5 days holiday. During this holiday, what happens is all the cities, all the provinces of China are connected by many highways, and to get on those highways, to drive on those highways, you need to pay a very expensive toll. What happens during this vacation season is this highways gets free, doesn't have any toll. So people from different places all around China goes to visit different cities. That's why our Yangzhou has a lot of visitors. So today's plan is to go to the city center, meet with my pal Sam, and decide how to celebrate the day.
Nani?
I just hate when people makes me wait. It's not even their fault, because today there are a lot of people in the city due to the vacation, as a lot of people have moved inside the city. They wanted to visit this tourist place, Yangzhou. So let's wait a couple bit more because his bus hasn't arrived. He said he's coming through bus, not by his own bike, because he wants to go with me in my backseat. So Sam said he's here. We're going to come very soon. So right now we have reached Rainbow Square, where all the people around China come to visit the Slender West Lake. So I'll take you there. We're waiting for the signal to cross the road. This is a nursery of small plants, as you can see. So this is the main motive of this garden, and this garden has been taken care of these people. So this is the office. We can see flowers here. Yeah. So these gardens are taken care of these people, and the motive of this garden is totally based on these kind of plants, as you can see. So these plants, as I know, are very expensive to buy. I don't know if you know about plants, please help me in the comment. Plants are usually kept near the door in the Chinese restaurants or some high built offices, because as you enter, the first thing you see is this plant. There is a photography going on. There is a photography going on. So this park is mainly based on photography. And that person is an army person. So he's wearing an army uniform to take a photo. The rickshaws has been one of the historical vehicles that was used in Yangzhou. It's still being used in Bangladesh as well as in India. These rickshaws are kept here to take visitors to roam all around Yangzhou. They'll go to the historical places. They'll show the visitors Yangzhou city. If you want to roam Yangzhou and if you want to know about the ancient places of Yangzhou city, hire one of the rickshaws and tell them to take you, and they'll take you to the ancient places, historical places in Yangzhou city, and they'll also act as a guide for you in Yangzhou. This bridge has been given an ancient touch, but what I want to show you is this place. This is called the Shouxihu, that means Slender West Lake in English. As you can see, a lot of people come here to visit this place. The most common pose while people come to Slender West Lake is they stand here on this bridge right in the middle, put their phone right where I'm putting, and then take a picture.